Welcome back to the channel. I got called out for a police rotation call for we figured it'd be a bigger box truck. It's kind of a little baby full of makeup dust. I don't know, some kind of makeup powder. So right now, Michael's getting the truck set up, getting the outriggers out, and then we will tackle this little baby job. Funny thing is front axles are completely ripped rearward, but as you'll see here in a second, somehow it shoved the frame, right chair, all the way back. I'm sure we'll all be red by the time this is over with. Everything's washed out right through here, and it's just hanging off the side of the cliff there. So Montgomery Fire, Doug come out, was kind enough to cut this tree out of our way so we can just grab a hold of it and pull it sideways. Because if you can see through the tire there, there's nothing on the other side. Really nothing's holding it. So unless it rolls before we get hooked to it, who knows. But it's getting close now. Like I said, it's a little baby. Here's
my plan. You want to see if we're in line. Run a rim sling through this wheel, one through the other wheel on the rear end with a strap coming over the box. That one's just a hold. We just drag from this one.
That's fine. I think even if we just grab the wheels.
You don't think it's going to roll?
No, I think it'll roll.
Try to.
Got the Trigg County Sheriff's Office out with us. Another towing company's coming after the tractor and trailer. Got Montgomery Fire. And yeah, that's it. Hey Michael, we can always do a stabilization off the tree to the front axle off this line and use this line to pull it up. We can stabilize it, the front, somewhere against the frame, and then that way we have total control over it with this line. And then
my truck don't sound good.
I know.
Yeah, like I said, I was thinking either that or a line over the box.
Well, there's nothing to the box no more.
Yeah, it's just, yeah.
We just help it right off.
You're thinking blue to the front axle and white to the rear.
Yep.
Fine.
Yep. Come around the side a little bit more, and then pull it this way just a little bit. Wiggle it this way, and then bring the ass end around. Get the ass end away from the drop off.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Even with the one line, was being able to bring it away from the drop off, and then if we need to run the second to the other side, we keep help it come around.
I'm just afraid of the front end, what it's going to do, because there's no.
Yeah.
I mean, it's literally the tires are underneath the seats.
Yeah.
So that's what concerns me about that. Yeah, that's the way I want to do it. Snatch block off that tree. Maybe this is long enough. I don't know. I don't know if it'll be long enough to get around the tree or not. Forget how big the tree is. Think this will wrap the tree?
I don't think they're long enough. I was going to grab a blue.
16?
No, probably a 12 would be fine.
The tree's a little thicker than what I thought. Where are your 12s? They in here?
10s and 12s should be in the center, and 16s should be on the left.
I got 10s.
A 10 on top of the left.
SDS sheet on it.
Okay, don't get it in our eyes.
No. No, that's the warning on it. It's very low flammability, but it says this product causes eye irritation.
Okay.
It's water soluble, so if it rains, it'll wash it away. And flammability is very low, but eyes, don't get it in your eyes at all.
It's gonna burn our eyes.
It's gonna burn the fuck out of your eyes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who needs eyesight?
We'll send you the SDS sheet on it.
All right, thank you.
Don't touch my eyes.
Right.
I'm sitting here thinking, it's going to keep it from going down without the snatch block.
Snatch block.
Okay.
Just till we get it up here.
Okay.
Then we can take it off. I just want to get it away from that drop off. And of course, I just want that for stabilization on that tree. We need.
Get the line and the pulleys off.
All right, go get tight on that one too.
Yeah, I gotta get it hooked up still. I just wanted to get that one secure.
Stay away from that line. Stay away from that line. Get your pictures and hop out. Be careful right there, it's sinkholes.
I want to make a picture of the other side because for my insurance.
Yeah. How did you get a hold of Stennett?
What's that?
How did you get a hold of Stennett? Stennett Towing, the wrecker.
Yeah.
Your company call him?
No, I don't know who called him.
Oh, okay.
Because after this happens, I had to translate for this guy.
Right. He's down there somewhere. He's over here. Waiting on you. We gotta go. Come on. All right, we're good. Is that wheel up yet?
He's on top, but the wire's up underneath it. Got your nail cutters?
In a minute, yeah. No. No. It's not safe. Driver said he didn't call nobody. Probably. Yeah. We're probably going to cut fence.
I do believe if that fence wasn't there, he'd be in that tree.
Yeah, I think the fence held him up. Leave your front sit. Bring that back around.
About into that,
Huh?
about into that tree now.
Can you boom that way? Will the locks hold it all? Can you go light on your lines?
I can't hear you.
Can you go light on your lines and boom around towards the back a little bit?
Yeah.
And will your lock hold it?
Maybe with this light. What's worth it now?
Yeah, but good just run your,
My drag down.
Yeah.
So that keep it. Well, even the blue line to keep it, or white line to keep it coming around.
well, let's see if this will work. If you can swing your boom. No tension on your front. Front and stay away from it. I want to swing it all the way around that tree. There you go.
I still learn something from the old man every once in a while.
Right? Now you can bring her up.
How are you going to hold that away?
Huh?
How are you going to hold that away?
Hook to it and drag it.
Magic and pixie dust. We've already got the pixie dust.
Right? So now I understand that that's the semi shoved it all off its chassis.
Yeah. And it didn't even, it just crinkled the floor. The box is all still
Yeah.
all the way back.
Yeah, it's crazy.
What happened? Did he fall asleep or something?
No, that guy was turning
He
around.
was slowing down to hit the U-turn. Oh. Well, that's a good one. I think his car alarm's going off.
Right?
See the headlights flashing?
Yeah.
You want his tire?
Yeah. We'll throw it in the back.
Nice B100. Anytime. It was.
What you gonna do? Just take it on up there?
Put it back there.
Huh?
I can do either one. I can put it back there.
Yeah, because if they move, I can just back right up to it. You ain't got to move.
You said I don't have to move?
I said, if they move, just boom it up for me up there, and I'll grab a hold of it and turn it around.
Start up grip. That's like a kid toe from the back.
Oh, I can. It may be frowned upon.
Very proud. Well, it might just be a little thinner.
Right? Yeah, we gotta lift it up anyway, get all the wire out.